It makes sense. Tie booster. I like
Tie
that change.
booster? I like tie booster.
I mean, it's good, but that doesn't mean it's fun.
I guess. Why did I go to the right
I
one?
have to like it.
That's true.
Like, think about it this way: it just makes the matchup versus Thanos car harder.
Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else
But like,
you.
it's pretty shit that like high booster would have to cruise, and then like the other person might still have a boost. Like if high booster hits someone, which I think is kind
I'm
of.
not saying that I disagree with the change. I'm just saying that it directly harms my chances of winning a tournament.
Yeah, true.
Because Thanos car. Well, Ludi is my worst matchup, but Thanos car is like one of my most played. You know?
Really, Ludi?
Yeah, I've only beat him once in bracket.
Oh, you know why? Is it just bad luck or just shitter?
I just have a bad matchup into him specifically. He knows how to read me.
Oh, okay.
We play a lot, so.
Yeah. Which one play? Somebody. Got an empty room up already.
I got an airbox.
Shut
It seems I have won again, Pixel. Amazing.
Dude, I'm just okay, first things first, I'm gonna play Mana Jets because oh my god. All the changes are
Oh no. Oh no. Never mind. Oh
People
fuck.
can stop bitching.
Oh no. Never mind. Shit.
Quit bitching in my fucking kitchen.
That's what I'm saying.
Turb